I see that you want it, driving me crazy with that fire in your eyes. Oh, but try to ignore it. Part of me wants to see you read between the lines, and all of the back and forth of say no, say no.
Hey guys, we are back with another video, and today we're actually thrifting again. Yes, 2 weeks in a row we're going thrifting. That is unheard of on this channel. It's usually like once a month, but we're going for it. Today we're actually not thrifting for the house. I am going to be selling products very soon, and we're going to start with some pop-ups. I will be selling them to you guys if you like them. We're going to go to the thrift store and see what kind of little trinkets we can find, just little small home decor products. So I'm looking for glasses, dishware, maybe like catch-all trays, like little things like that. I'm going to be making coasters, which I'm really excited about, so I'm excited to show you guys that. I'm here with my brother Elijah. He's driving. But first, the reason he's driving is because I found a marble coffee table on Facebook Marketplace, and it's absolutely beautiful. And she's selling it for way lower than it's worth. So I thought that could actually be an item that I could hold on to for either future makeovers, or when I eventually open up my home decor shop, I could sell it. So yeah, we're gonna go pick that up from Facebook Marketplace, and then we're gonna go to the thrift store. Actually, no. First, we're going to the thrift store, then we're gonna go pick that up from Facebook Marketplace. So the place we're going to is called Elevated Thrift. It's a brand new thrift store. I think it's pretty new, in the Grand Rapids area, Grand Rapids, Michigan, and it's really nice. I went once, but I was rushed. I'm actually gonna be rushed today too. I only have about 40 minutes to get through the store, but we're just gonna take a look and see what we can find. Last time I went with my niece, and I spent more time making sure she didn't break anything than actually shopping. So this time I'm excited to really look through everything and see what we can find. All right, I just got outside. It's so pretty. I'm gonna show you. In here, look at all the clothes. I can actually really use a leather jacket. They have so many. This is nice. Looks like my size too. Rocker for me. It's too rocker. But there's more jackets over here. Thrifting, you want to look for like little trinkets like this. It's $13 though. It's not worth $13. Like, look at this little marble candle holder. Like, this would be a nice piece for like your coffee table, or if you have an office. I think this would be nice, except it's priced too high. I wouldn't be able to sell it for too much more than this. It's priced for $18, so let's see. Oh my gosh, just look at this purse. This is so cute. You guys, look at this chair right here. It is so cute. I absolutely love this chair. I would definitely put this in my house. It's $4.95 though, so not for that, but I would put it in my house. What do you guys think about this little statue right here? I think this is cute.
Yeah.
It's too heavy for the shop, but $220. It's a little expensive, but it's cute. I hate vlogging in public and talking to myself. It's really embarrassing, but it has to be done. Here's another one right here. This one is even cuter. This one's better. This one is $190. That's a much better price. Oh my guys, this is so cool. Look at this. This is something that I would sell in the shop. Look at how pretty it is. It's a great price. This one is $72. I would actually get this for my house. If we don't find anything else, let's come back for that because I really like that. This mirror back here is so beautiful. Let me show you. I wonder if it's for sale. Let's see. Not seeing a price. Right now I'm doing a living room makeover for a client, and I think it's like a sitting room, and I think this would be really, really nice. I'm not seeing a price on it. Store is so huge. There's so many little shops and stuff to cover, and I only have 15 minutes left. So I don't think I'm gonna get through the whole store, but it was nice to at least like check it out. Huh. This little man looks interesting. Now that would be something really nice to sell in the store. I'm really scared to start doing this because I feel like I'm just gonna get all this stuff for myself and not actually sell it on the store. We're gonna get this. It's $8. It's cute. This painting right here is so cute. Come on. Like something that is like handcrafted like this is so cute. These are a pair of Peruvian pottery vases, and I just think they have so much character. I absolutely love this, but they're a little bit expensive. It's $42 for the pair, which is not too bad if you're purchasing it like, you know, in store, but because again, I'm like looking for some stuff that I could like resale. I don't know, I think that's a little too pricey, but it's so cute. I'm tempted to get it for myself. Even this, look at this. How cute is that? Like right in your doorway when you first come in the house. I love that. It's so cute. You guys, look at this little table. It has a stone top. It would be a really nice little island, but I don't have the space for it, but it's only $200, so if you're in the area, this would be really nice. We have 10 minutes left, and we have one item secured, so it's not a lot, but now I'm headed back to the furniture section to see, just to browse. I'm not really gonna buy any big pieces of furniture. I just want to see what they have here, since I don't get to come here often. This is a cute catch-all tray right here. See headboards, see this poop here. I see a lot of rattan.
Isn't it crazy how the stars have fallen aligned?
$8. It's nice, but it's not really my style, so I'm gonna put it back. Look at all these colorful dishes over here. This again, but go to like a Goodwill, because this is more of like a consignment shop. So these are all people who have thrifted these items and are reselling them. So they're a little bit higher than like a Goodwill, a Restoration Hardware, or like a Salvation Army. I'm not seeing anything, so we can go ahead and make our way to the checkout, and then we can go grab our Facebook Marketplace find.
I want you standing right here next to me.
OMG, I love this. I love this so much, but it's almost $300. It's $290. And I don't want to spend that much. I'm already spending $200 on the coffee table that we're about to get, so I think I'll pass, but it's so cute. This is nice. It's $20. Thank you. We got our Alright guys, so we just left. I'm about to go pick up the coffee table from the Facebook Marketplace girl. I do not know if I'm going to be able to record when I get there. I'll try my best because I don't want to be recording in her house or anything, so I'm right on time.
Forever is never enough, babe. And we already started late. Don't wanna leave it up to fate.
You need something.
You guys, I fell on the front lawn just trying to lift this up. I was like, dang, I wish I would have showed them. Busting my ass. Is my mic still connected? Oh no, it's dead. All right, so secured. Oh wait, I didn't show you guys, did I? You showed them.
Yeah.
Okay, here it is in the back. I have no idea where I'm gonna store this. I think I'm just gonna store it in my parents' garage and be like, surprise, there's something there. All right, well, I guess that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed. So sad you didn't get to see me fall, but just imagine it. How you imagine it is probably even worse. I'll just say that, just imagine worse. Also, don't forget to sign up for my waitlist for my online course where I teach you step-by-step how to design your home with confidence. All the steps in here I use personally when I'm making over a space. In the meantime, you can join the waitlist. I'll drop it in the description box and I'll also pin it in the comments. You can also download my free design starter kit. It's not as like full and robust as a course, but it is a step-by-step guide on how to design your space, and it's free, so make sure you download that. I'll also make sure to pin that as well. I love you all, and I will see you next week. Bye.
And we already started late. And if we leave it up to fate, tell me how long will we have to wait